Hi, John here. In this video, I will talk about landing pages and product pages. This is a second part of my Facebook ad compliance mastery series. And basically, I will just go through what you can do, with your landing pages and product pages and what you can't, So you will know exactly, what's like forbidden and well, you will not get flagged. But first, I would like to thank you for watching my videos. And well, if you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you have some interesting ideas about future videos, then definitely leave a comment below. Why you need to be Facebook ad compliant, on your own landing pages, own product pages, in your own website? Well, basically, Facebook checks them as well, So if you are doing everything right in your ads, but you are having something that is against Facebook policies even in your website, then well, basically your ad will get disapproved. You might get flagged. Okay, so before it was just about ads, and now it's also about that final destination where that potential customer will get from Facebook. So Facebook cares about that. Well, they check like everything. So if you are lying on your page, and basically saying that in your ad you are offering one thing and in your landing page you are like showing some another thing, then basically it's again policies and you might get flagged. There's like another thing, and they basically expect that main purpose of that page will be displayed on the top of that page, right? So if you are offering something, it should be on the top, and it should be like immediately, like clearly, like visible, so these customers that are coming from Facebook will understand, okay, I click on this ad and this is the reason why I came here. Okay, so they basically are trying to tell you in Facebook that you should not confuse people, and you should show that if you are, it's like product page and you are like offering it from ad, so you are showing some video in your ad, then they will click and get to that product page, and then they want basically to like display to those customers, like to show them immediately that product copy, that product all information at the top, so they are even like happy if you will have that navigation bar like somewhere like down, so it's like absolutely like clear, that okay, this is like for that product, there is like nothing else on this page, just things for that product, and that's it. Okay, because they don't like when those people are like trying to like go somewhere else, from the page. They basically want like only to come to that product page and then come back to Facebook. So yeah, so they sometimes like don't like it, so you should also like be careful about it. And because like what I see that people sometimes are like putting on their websites a lot of like other things, sometimes they even put there like some other ads on their websites, and that's like a problem probably for Facebook as well. So just try to keep your landing pages and product pages clean and possible, so everything will like correspond with that ad, so people are not confused. Facebook really also hate, when you basically put there like that one link, and then you will like redirect customer through that one link to like for like 5 other like URLs, and they will end up on like some page that is like completely different. Okay, they will probably like shut you down because of that. So just try to always like promote through that one link. I know like a lot of people use like these bit.lys and whatever. If you want like your ads to have be like absolutely clean, so there are like no questions, just use that one URL of that page, so you have page with name like page ABC, and then you have page abc.com. Then don't use like some bit.ly blah blah blah, but just use that page ABC, slash product name. And so it's like absolutely clear like what's happening. Okay, just try. I don't know why people use these bit.lys, because you can't even like mask for bit.lys, you cannot like hide yourself from bit.lys. I mean, they will anyway know what's like at the end of that bit.ly link, okay, or like the link shortener what you are using. So just use like that normal page URL, so it's like all like legit. Another huge mistake that, well, probably this is like one of those things that Facebook hates most, and that's before and after images. Well, if you have on your page a lot of these like before and after things, like you're selling some like teeth whitening product, so just like on the left side you will show some like horrible like yellow teeth, so like people are like shocked, when they see it. And on the right side you show like some like perfect teeth, like from Photoshop, like it's almost like impossible like good looking teeth. Then well, they will shut you down because of this, and they will shut you down even when it's in reviews, because they don't care if it's like if it's like your image, you know, of that product, or if it's like a review image, they will just shut you down if you have it on your page. So I think that's like biggest reason why people's ads are getting shut down, if it's because of the landing page, because they use a lot of these before and after images. I never use any before and after images because I don't want to have like this kind of problem. So if you can, just like don't do that, okay? I mean, there is like other way how you can present your product on a page. You don't need to use just like before and after images, okay? I mean, yes, it sells, it's awesome, everybody want to use it because it works, but Facebook hated it, okay? So if you want to use Facebook, you should like not do it, because once somebody will check it like more closely, okay? Let's see, your ad is getting some traction, it's getting a lot of views, and well, then it will automatically get served to some Facebook rep, you know, who need to check it manually, okay? And they will check manually your landing page, and they will check manually your ads, okay? And well, based on that, there is like huge possibility that because of those before and after images, they will disapprove that ad, you know, and with that, like hundreds of other ads if they are like active at the same time. So just be careful about it before and after. Typos. Well, Facebook hate typos, so if you are like selling it in some like specific language, it should be that language without typos. The problem is that, well, not Facebook itself, but that Facebook system hates it, you know. So if they will think it's like full of typos, then might like disapprove it. Well, they really like care about quality of that experience that they like serve to those customers on Facebook. So you need to have like everything from now like super clean. If your English, like mine, is not like you're native, you know, and it's like super broken, I'm using like Grammarly for like checking like my typos. And I don't mean just that software basically that will like analyze your sentence and offer some other like options, but Grammarly also have like option where you can pay a human who will check, for example, in 30 minutes from paying for an order, your all like copy that you send them, and basically give you some feedback and completely like fix it, okay? So it even like looks like it's from native, you know, English speaker. So I suggest to do that. There is like some funny thing about it, because well, I'm using it all the time, and they have like a couple options where you can basically pay like almost like impossible, like cheap money if you will click on 3-day delivery. And if you want to have it like in 30 minutes, basically, then it's like 50 times more expensive, right? So let's say that in 3 days, for 3 days waiting, you will pay like $1 for like some column, you know, to translate, to fix. And well, if you want to have it in like those 30 minutes, you will pay like $20 or something like that, okay? But interesting is that they don't have probably like enough customers, so even when you will click on that 3-day delivery, you will still get it like proofread it, you know, in like 10 minutes, okay? So yeah, it's like super cheap. And I mean, if you need like help with English, like use that Grammarly, click on those 3 days and you will still get it in 10 minutes, because they don't have anything to do obviously there. And like last thing that I think is like most common why people get flagged is that well, they are using Facebook assets. And by that I mean like not just using like Facebook logos, you know, or like Instagram logos or whatever, but they are using like their emojis. And I don't know why, but they're like super sensitive about it. If you are using like those original Facebook emojis that they created, Facebook, and owns them, they might just like shut you down, and like they will even like tell you, okay, you are using Facebook assets, you know, you need to like change it, but they will flag it, okay, like your ads. So definitely, if you're using emojis, try to use those like neutral ones that everybody use, and not just those Facebook ones, because that's like against their rules as well. And you absolutely need to like check my previous video about those like different offers and products that are like compliant with Facebook. That's like where you should start, you know, to be like absolutely sure that what you are doing is like legit, okay? So do that. And well, thank you very much for watching. And also, if you are still not in affiliation, it's my free Facebook mastermind group. And if you need like some more like advanced help, you know, or like you have some advanced questions about advertising or e-commerce, then definitely join that group, you know, and well, you will also have direct connection to me. And well, if you already like get flagged and you need to right now like restart your promotion and start over again, then definitely download my free ebook, you know, Ultimate Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it after like going through that Facebook circle of hell, you know, for a long time, you know. So, and well, this book will take you out of that like darkness and help you to restart, so you can like keep going, you know, and sell your products and services. So definitely do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.